Empowering IRP's partner narrators is the foundational and mission-driven impact of our work. Amplifying Indigenous voices, preserving heritage, and raising awareness are invaluable results of oral history research methods and ethics. Once a Project Crown is produced, our multi-tiered impact system measures direct engagement outside of partner communities. Just a month following our debut film premiere, we can identify Tier 1 impact results like university students researching Assyrian language, history, and culture. On a global scale, hundreds of people around the world have already accessed data on Assyrian statelessness, as well as how art plays a role in personal identity and community connection. Visit indigenousrootsproductions.org to learn how you can support Indigenous peoples sharing their stories through their voices.